Real quickly, I would like to show you what I've been working on inside of my Nerds of Warhammer School group. So, first of all, it's a pretty small group. I've only got 25 people in here so far, and it's kind of quiet. I'd love to have some of you guys just come chat with me, hang out, talk Warhammer, and have a good time. But I've also got some stuff in here that I think you guys will like and will help any new players kind of get into the game. So first of all, I got a basics course. This is totally free. This basics course is not complete, but it's coming along. I've got everything you need to play Warhammer. I've got a video on the app and data sheets, how to choosing your army, which I will get into in a moment because I'm actually expanded on this a lot. Choosing your army and detachment rules, epic heroes, characters, and enhancements, and mustering your army. And then I'm getting into all the things that it takes to play a game, right? And I have a lot of stuff going on in this, so it's taking me a while to create it. But this is going to be a really good beginner's course, and you all can give it away if you want. All you have to do is share the affiliate link that will automatically come if you join my group. So you get 50% of anything anybody buys in this group that you invite to the group. If you create content, it's a really great way to just start making some money from your content without having to go through all the work of monetizing it. Very simple way. Then I've got a getting started with tabletop simulators, and this shows you how to get tabletop simulator all set up. It's a pretty short course. Just takes a few things to get it set up, and I'll expand on this more later as well. But this is a good basic getting started with tabletop simulators course. Then I've got how to make money from Warhammer. This is a whole course on different ways that I'm working on to help you make more money to get more models, including, and one of the ways you're going to be able to get more models is through auctions in this group. This group has monthly auctions that I'm going to be starting, and all you have to do is sign up for the paid tier for that one. But that's one of the things. This is a mostly free group, but there are some paid things in here to get access to. And one of those is getting access to monthly auctions. So the auctions start at $1. So if you want to pick up some new models for your army, this is a great place to do it. Just broke down a battle ready in 30 minutes or less without slap chop video. This was done by my buddy Chaos Bunny. He is a 30-year veteran painter. He's been painting forever since he was a child, and he is a very good painter. This is how to just paint a real quick Space Marine to get him battle ready in 30. It's like 30 minutes or less per model, and it's just how to get ready if you're trying to get in, if you're in a rush to get into a tournament. It's nothing crazy yet, but he is working on a bunch of stuff. I've got 3 other courses on painting in the queue, if you will. And then this is also, this one's like $5. It's super cheap. And I just want to make sure that he gets a little bit of money for it. So let's say that you invite somebody over from the basics course. You just give this away to somebody. If that person who comes and watches the basics course then buys this, you get paid half the money. Yeah, so it's not a ton. It is like $2.50 per person that buys it, but you literally don't have to do anything for it. It will be the case with every course I upload in here, and the monthly membership fees. If anybody wants to get money from joining the auctions, like I said, that's one of the paid tiers. You would get half the money for that too. You get 50% of anything that anybody you invite into this group purchases. So as I fill out more and more of this, that will be more and more money in your pocket if you invite a lot of people. Next up, I'll come back to this one in a moment. I've got a how to paint black course. This is a course on how to paint black that Chaos Bunny did. Again, this is a paid course. This one's pretty cheap as well. I think it's $8 right now. and just trying to make a little bit of money for now, and just help people with stuff. This actually has three different colors that he decided to show off: black, white, and yellow. So kind of the hardest colors to do, and this one has some editing being done. But right now the course is complete, but it's just up and ready to go. So if you invite people to, say, get started on Tabletop Simulator, they come here and let's say they want to know how to paint black. They click on that, pay for it, you get half the money from this course too. So, and then choosing your army. This is actually a really cool tool that I'm setting up, and this one's going to take a while, but it's got a basic level of what we're doing. And I've got all of the armies in here and a basic rundown of who they are, what their play style is like, key units that you might want to have, and why you should play them. And I've done that for every single faction in the game. Now, I'm adding images, I'm adding some videos, I'm adding a lot of stuff into this course still. It's always going to be free, this one. And if you own a game store, this particular thing I will license out to game store owners as a sales tool if you're at all interested in that. So yeah, this is a crazy little group going on. Got a lot of stuff going on. I keep people updated on the news that's coming out. It's a ton of fun, and would love to see some more people join in here and get us all making some money, because this group isn't about me making money. It's about helping you all make money with Warhammer. It's about getting you guys more minis in your pocket, or in your, not in your pocket, more minis in your collection. I mean, more minis, more, pay your bills, whatever. Warhammer is expensive, so come make some money with it. Um, and if you're making content anyway, you're not making any money from it, this is the place. I'm really good at monetizing stuff, and I'm not great at making content. So you guys make the content, I'll make you money on the back end. So I'll talk to y'all soon. Come join my group, Nerds of Warhammer, on Skool.com. Skool. Bye.